You guys ever have those weekends that are just like slam packed busy and you don't have time to like do fucking anything basically? Well, I'm having one of those weekends. Me and Hannah just got done having a little staycation up in Scottsdale, and it was super nice. Went to a wedding, super nice again. Just got back to the house today. Today's Sunday. In about an hour or so, we're gonna be going to our old boss's house and swimming in the pool, which I'm not gonna argue with because Arizona, and it's already like 100 degrees out and it's hot and it's 10 o'clock in the morning. So I wanted to do something. I've been having a couple parts just like laying around, and I got these two mirror visors from Aerowolf. Obviously, my boys had their canards. My purple ones were his, and they're good products. I love Aerowolf stuff. But what I'm thinking, because these are chrome, these were a limited one, I think, or something like that. Or it was a limited drop for the time being. He might have made some more, but that's how they go. But it doesn't fit absolutely perfectly, so we're gonna have to heat that up, get it all fit up perfectly. And then it's kind of crazy, the gold is super nice. Gold in the sun looks really cool, but I'm thinking gold and pink for the Corvette's color scheme. But it's crazy, these mirror visors fit almost, oh well, I got the wrong, when you get the right sides, the Aerowolf visor canards fit pretty well. And these I'm pretty sure are meant for Ganondorf mirrors, but obviously they're so cool, everybody tries throwing them on a bunch of different cars, and I'm gonna be that everybody today. And another thing, whenever I took the Corvette's bumper off for the first time, I hated it. So I've always wanted this style of like quick release bumper stuff, you know, instead of those little wrap hair tie looking ones. But got a problem. I don't think these are gonna work on the Corvette. So I think I'm gonna have to take these off of the Mustang, put them on the Corvette, and then I'm gonna have to use these, the little actual little tabby tabs, and put them on the Mustang. And I'm thinking probably right about here on the Mustang, but that means I'm gonna have random hole on the fender and then random hole on the bumper of the Mustang. But it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, just something quick, easy, something fun. Don't want to get too crazy in depth with shit today. Kind of just want to hang out with you guys and do something light and fun and get y'all content somehow in my busy new schedule. So yeah, so I'm thinking the Chromie boys on the Mustang, but like I said, they don't fit absolutely perfect, but I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of heat to them, and I think they'll work great. So yet again, I'm gonna be whipping out the heat gun. Enough! Fun fact, heat guns are fucking hot. Boom! That actually looks kind of sick. That's actually like a really dope touch. Something just small and cool. Didn't really have to scoot it around too much. So yeah, that's really what you see. Kind of looks the same, which I guess is the good thing. So, boom. I was expecting that to be a lot more of a pain in the ass. But yeah, so now we're about to knock out the other Aerowolf I will eat your ass.
What?
So now we're about to knock out the other side on the Mustang. This is super like fun. If you just want to do like something fun to your car that isn't like dumbass intuitive and just hands-on, like you just want to, oh, I got something to do. Boop, 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 stick, heat it up a little bit, chilling. These are fucking awesome. Boom. Aerowolf shit. So now we gotta throw the gold ones on the Vet. These I think are gonna have a lot less work, or not even work, because making them fit wasn't even that hard. But got the good old Aerowolf sticker on the Mustang. Gotta get some new Instagram tags. Follow me on Instagram, Thomas Haynes Drift now. Kind of went through a little rebranding, but now we can officially throw a Aerowolf sticker on the Corvette, I guess. Add to the small sticker collection and get it up to the Mustang's level. Because obviously, stickers, extra 5 horsepower, helps when you have a girlfriend that makes stickers. So I basically have unlimited horsepower. That's why the Mustang's so cool, actually. So this is what I mean by it's going to be a lot less work, because it almost just fits perfectly. A little bit in the corner, but yeah, it's gonna be almost perfect on the Corvette. So since we live in beautiful all hell, I'm gonna let that sit in the sun a little bit, and then I'm gonna wiggle it around, and hopefully Arizona Sun will do Arizona Sun's job and murder everything in its path. It's been sitting out here for like 30 seconds and it's already malleable. Like, can move it around. Boop. Got it in there. Just like I said, Arizona. So I'm gonna leave this in the sun for a little bit. That way I can move it around a little bit easier than that. But this one, I mean, it like I said, it literally been sitting out here for a couple minutes, or not even, I'd say probably a minute and a half. I can move the damn thing around like it's something malleable. I don't know, but it's hot out there. I'm already tired of the sun. I was out there for 30 seconds. So I think what I'm gonna do now is, while I'm letting that shit warm up, I want to throw the Corvette's other fender on. That way we can get an idea of where we're gonna mount the quick release mounts for the bumper, because whenever I took the Corvette's bumper off, it fucking sucked. So I'm gonna make that a little bit easier. Clean up the front bumper, because there's like some stuff I don't really like about it. I cut some stuff kind of ugly, and yeah, old starter. If you missed that video,
Go watch it.
got the bumper over here, but got the fender on. Corvette's starting to look like a car again. I'm gonna start cleaning up shit. So that was the plan, was to start cleaning shit up, and obviously I don't want any airflow or lack of airflow in this front bumper. So cut this Corvette logo out, and I'm gonna have all the turn signals, no lights in the front bumper basically. And I popped this one out, and it's double-sided sticky taped, Velcro holding this vent in. Like, is it just me, or is like that shit kind of like astonishing? I don't know if these are aftermarket, but I feel like that's kind of a cheap way and a shitty way to do it. Go! And I'm about to put Hannah to work, because I found a crack in the bumper. So we're going to use Hannah's specialty as a drift stitcher. Stitch those back up. Pop this out. I'm going to file all this down, make this look all nice and neat and shit. And then start engineering a way to get the bumper on and off like in 2 seconds, like I can with the Mustang. So hyperlapse, there you go. This is how you know you live somewhere fucking hot. Little neck fans. Neck fans. Thank you, Hannah. I'm actually using them. They work great. She got me a lemonade, but on the important note, got the bumper all cleaned up. I mean, sprayed it with some water. That's about it. I'm not gonna waste time actually washing it. Like, all that in there. It'll come off whenever I paint it. But got in here pretty well cleaned up and all sanded and such. As y'all saw, I drilled the holes and Hannah stitched these up. That looks freaking great. Looks like a drift car. But now I'm gonna try to figure out a good way of mounting the bumper to the car in a way I can do it quick, fast, 2 zip ties, 2 fasteners kind of thing, just like I do the Mustang. It seemed though, whenever I was taking the bumper off of the Corvette, there was so much more shit to like worry about and take off and stuff. Whenever the Mustang was just like fender liners, I think a clip underneath or 2 clips underneath, and then little clips up top, boom, bumpers off, done. But the Corvette, it the same, but like just more of that stuff on the side, stuff underneath, stuff up top. Because like you guys can see all those little holes for the clips, still going, still so many. I might trim all this off right here, maybe. And then there's all the clips up top. Y'all can see those ones sucked. And then obviously on the sides. But I think I'm gonna have to use the ones that are on the Mustang and then get those new little push ones, the push button ones, and put them on the Mustang, because the Corvette doesn't have anywhere really to mount those necessarily. So I'm gonna set y'all up and I'm gonna start engineering, looking, zip ties. Okay, got the old bumper fastener off the Mustang. Gonna test some shit on this side of the Vette since it's sagging a little bit more than this side. Now I just gotta drill a hole and line it all up. So boom, we're done. I got this side on, and like this is literally all I have holding the bumper on right now, and it seems decently sturdy, movable, you know, as a drift car should be. I think though I'm gonna throw some zip ties up in here just like I do with the Mustang, just to be safe. Some thick ones, make sure up here isn't moving as much. But yeah, sturdy enough for a drift car at least. I still might trim some stuff out underneath to make it a little bit lighter. All of this I might trim out, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to get a front lip first and see how that mounts before I start just gutting this bumper completely. But yeah, like I said, literally the only thing holding it on is these fasteners right now, and they're doing a pretty good job. I got them nice and tight like a twig. But yeah, I got the other Arrow Wolf canard on, or visor. That's how those turned out. Looking great. Got the other one on over there. Then I also got the Mustangs on, as y'all saw. I think I'm gonna call it a day at that, because like I said before, we got shit to do. So yeah, another quick little something to make me feel good about getting y'all content since I didn't this weekend. Yeah guys, quick and easy, fun little day. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Again, if y'all watch this one, I really appreciate it, because it's probably boring like all my other videos. But thank you again, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good week.